Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing a pump 20 gauge Remington 870 Express Magnum. So, get a gander at this beauty. She's an old and kind of little rust on it, and it could use a good cleaning. But guys, good shotgun. She's a pump. I really like it. I've shot it a couple times. It's my dad's gun. I might try and get it off of him one day. Who knows? But yeah, I really like it, guys. So we're gonna shoot it, see how she shoots. And we do have adult supervision, guys. We are safe. All right, guys, so that's a pretty sweet shooter. We're a shooter in slow-mo. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna try and shoot it as fast as I can and stuff, but that's doing a lot of damage to that piece of wood. I'm gonna try for the top. Here goes. Oh yeah. That knocks some stuff down. Here, need one more. One more. Best smell in the world. Let's go see what this thing did. This thing is powerful, guys. And it's like 20 degrees out. Very cold. My Lord. It knocks wood off. Look at that stuff. That's all this shotgun. And then I shot this down here on purpose. That thing's a beast, guys. It's just a short video. I hope y'all been enjoying these short gun reviews. I enjoy them. I hope y'all enjoy them as much as I do. But if you like them, tell me a gun you would like to see me do. Let me know in the comments. But hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you on the next one.